Hey there, foodies! Rainy days got you feeling down? I've got the perfect remedy. 5 soul-warming recipes that will have you saying goodbye, gloom and hello deliciousness. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. And if you're already part of the fam, welcome back. Now let's get cooking. First up, we're making loaded baked potatoes. Cheesy, flavorful, and totally customizable. Scrub 4 large russet potatoes, prick them with a fork, rub with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour. While the potatoes bake, combine a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of sour cream, a quarter cup of chopped green onions, and a tablespoon of melted butter. Once baked, let the potatoes cool slightly. Slice them open and fluff the insides with a fork. Stuff the potatoes with the cheese mixture. Add your favorite toppings like crispy bacon bits, diced jalapenos, or steamed broccoli. Pop them back in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly, and there you have it. Cheesy, comforting, and oh so satisfying stuffed potatoes. Next up, we're diving into a pot of cheesy goodness with a classic cheese fondue. Rub the inside of a fondue pot with a clove of garlic, melt a cup of dry white wine over low heat, then gradually whisk in a pound each of shredded Gruyere and Emmental cheese until smooth. Stir in a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of Kirsch, cherry brandy, to stabilize the fondue. Season with nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Grab your fondue forks and dip crusty bread cubes, steamed vegetables, and cooked sausage. Chapter 3. Roast lamb and baked veggies. For this recipe, you'll need a 2 to 3 pound boneless leg of lamb. Pat it dry, season with salt, pepper, rosemary, and thyme. Sear the lamb in a large oven-safe skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil until browned. Remove the lamb, add chopped carrots, potatoes, onions, and garlic to the skillet. Toss in the drippings. Place the lamb back in the skillet with the vegetables. Pour in a cup of chicken broth or white wine, cover with foil, and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Let the lamb rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Serve with the tender roasted vegetables. This meal is pure comfort food, perfect for a cozy night in. Chapter 4. Buffalo chicken and roast potato casserole. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Combine 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup of crumbled cooked bacon, half a cup of buffalo wing sauce, half a cup of ranch dressing, a quarter cup of crumbled blue cheese, and a quarter cup of chopped green onions. Spread the mixture into a greased 9x 13-inch baking dish. For the topping, combine 2 cups of frozen shredded hash browns, half a cup of melted butter, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Sprinkle the hash brown mixture over the buffalo chicken mixture. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the topping is golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. This casserole is the perfect balance of spicy, cheesy, and comforting. Chapter 5. Sweet and savory zucchini slice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Combine 2 cups of grated zucchini, 1 cup of grated sweet potato, half a cup of chopped red onion, half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, and a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese. In a separate bowl, whisk together 6 large eggs, half a cup of milk, a quarter cup of olive oil, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour the wet ingredients into the zucchini mixture and stir until combined. Pour into the prepared baking dish and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown and set. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. And there you have it, 5 incredibly delicious and comforting rainy day meals that are sure to warm your soul. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.